purebred beagle. 9 years of age, 39 pounds of pure evolution has crafted him into a perfect hunting machine. Desperate for food, he'll eat anything, including lizard poo. After coming up short on his morning hunt, he remarks his territory. He does so by rubbing his fur on the grass. This is so the scent is on him at all times. He is a tame being, yet wild at heart. He is Derek, the domesticated dog. Derek finds himself in a new environment. His ancestral skills will carry him through this new journey with new obstacles. Unfortunately, those traits do not carry over as he rubs his face in poison ivy. However, his camouflage does, as he blends in perfectly with the surrounding environment. What's that? A scent. Trotting along the woods, just like the North Star, his nose leads the way. During this hunt, he discovers a new obstacle: moving food. He decides to carefully investigate. He discovers that the shell is impenetrable and decides, "Not today, tortoise." During the hunt, he lost his way and is now wandering in circles. He's been here before. But what's this? The tortoise returns, but this time as a friend, not a foe, as he points Derek in the right direction. This little piggy ran all the way home. Back at the house, the hunt continues. His nose pesters him with all sorts of scents. He begins to grow impatient as his owners only talk to him in baby voice, and yet he still gets no food. The owner gives him ice to cool him down. So Derek decides to take another approach, being a good boy. He decides to take drastic measures as he does the human's favorite trick: dancing. He is finally rewarded. The daily routine of a domesticated dog is anything but easy. After a long day of hunting and performing, the puppy is tired. And thus he lays his head to rest, only to repeat the process tomorrow.